Hello guys, so if you're looking to change payment methods on Free Fire, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place. Because today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now firstly, what you have to do is just simply open your Free Fire application. Now if you try to purchase coins or diamonds on your Free Fire application, you will see the payment methods. Now click on coin and try to buy something, and over here you should see your payment method. So scroll down and you will see all of your payment methods down here. So click on the arrow which says Google Play Balance, click on it, and over here you will find a Gmail account. So, in order to change a payment method, you will need to change the Google ID, which is linked with the payment section of Free Fire. So, let me show you how you can do that. Now, firstly, just simply close the Free Fire application. Now, when you're back outside, what you have to do is just simply go to your Play Store. Now, as you can see, this is the ID that is currently linked with Free Fire payment section. So, if I go in payments and subscription, then payment methods, you will see there are no ways to change the payment method over here. Now, to actually change the payment method, you have to change the email ID that is linked with Free Fire. So, for doing that, you need to go to your phone settings. So, click on settings. Then just simply type in sync. Then click on account sync, then scroll down, click on Google. Now over here you will find all of your Gmail accounts. So click on the Gmail account that is linked with your Free Fire, click on that. Then click on more and remove account. And don't worry, this is not removing your Gmail account completely, it is just removing the Gmail account from your phone temporarily, because we'll add this back. So click on remove account. Now go back to your Play Store. Over here, as you can see, a new account has come up. So if I go to the payment and subscription page, then payment methods, you will see there is nothing, but you can add them from down below over here. Now if I go and play Free Fire again, open Free Fire, and if I click on coin and try to buy something, as you can see, the new Gmail address is showing up. Over here I can add new credit card details or bank details to get the money. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.